At Impress IT Solutions, we know you want to be a trusted leader, someone your team and board can count on to protect your bank and keep operations running smoothly. But when your IT provider doesn't understand banking compliance and takes days to respond, you're left anxious about audits and constantly chasing support. We believe IT should support your reputation, not create more risk and frustration. That's why we specialize in supporting financial institutions in Texas with GLBA and FFIEC expertise, guaranteed response times, and audit-ready documentation. Here's how it works. First, book a 15-minute discovery call. Next, we deliver a compliance-focused IT assessment. Then, we handle your technology so you can lead with confidence. Schedule your call today and download our free IT compliance checklist while you're at it. Stop worrying about audits and IT gaps and start focusing on growing your bank. Impress IT Solutions, banking IT handled.